Hi there. This is a business case template, and the purpose of a business case is to provide the justification for undertaking an initiative, maybe a project, maybe a program. And then what it does, it evaluates the benefit, the cost, and risk of alternative options and provides a rationale for undertaking that preferred solution. And you can see here below, we have a number of different areas or questions that you would want to answer to populate this business case template. The first one here being the business need. And what you'd want to do is you'd want to answer this question or replace this text here to describe the need for this project you want to or this initiative, and list as many reasons as you can possibly think of. Identify your users or stakeholders, populate that in this field. The current approach, document the current situation as it stands today. When it comes to your recommended solution, provide that recommendation here and list out as a number, many points as you possibly can. The next section here is our benefit cost analysis. So you can see in this section, this is where we would list as many direct costs and or benefits as you possibly can. And sometimes the dollar values or the dollar benefit may be a little bit elusive. So just provide as much detail as you can. You can see we've got a section here in this template to provide the actual cost and benefit of this proposed solution. You're going to want to list any risks for undertaking this project or this initiative and the risks of not undertaking it. And then the last section here is this is where this business case provides the opportunity to document the approval for the business case. And with that, we actually have one here that's a completed example for a bridge project. And you can see that all of that information has been populated here, outlining this proposed or potential project. We've even populated some cost information within this template. So within this completed template. So hopefully this helps.